Hey everybody, it's Matt here at Affordable Appliances, and today we're talking about how to break your washing machine. Part 3. A great way to break your washing machine is to pack all your clothes into one giant load. Modern machines especially are not built to take the giant packed loads. And you'll get a better wash if you allow the machine the ability to cycle those clothes through the water and through the suds. So I know it's tempting, but if you use a smaller load size in your washing machine, your clothes will actually get cleaner. Affordable Appliances will be here when you need us.